We're here at the Hyatt McCormick in their newly renovated restaurant space. From bar to sit-down restaurant to fast takeaway, their newly reimagined space and menus have something for everyone.
Just off the Grand Concourse, easy access for anyone looking for a quick bite off the show floor. Don't forget, Marketplace has just reimagined their menu as well.
It really is this easy to come right off the show floor and have a drink or a bite with a friend or colleague.
There's room for everybody. After a long day on the show floor, it's nice to be able to sit down, relax your feet, and grab a little fresh air.
They even have some fire pits out on the patio. So don't forget to come by and check out the new atmosphere of the Hyatt McCormick. Do you like our Around Chicago series? Let us know. Leave a comment below and click subscribe to keep up to date on all the latest IMTS news. And as always, thanks for watching.